a nice day, human. Yeah, it really is. Beautiful sunny day. Perfect day for the beach, you know? Yeah. Seriously. I'm gonna go get a drink real quick. You want anything? No, I already got a drink. Alright. Oh man, Lad. I'm sorry, guys. Very so sorry, but I was trying in case I'm sorry for that ad dial, but everyone hates them. No one loves them. Alright. Any activity in the water? No activities. What about Stick Man? He's only one in there besides Melon's feet. Alright. Yeah, my boxing career was insane, and I tried to get these gloves off, but I just can't, you know? Yeah, that sounds crazy. Why are you drinking your drink like that? I don't know, I just do. Listen, you're kinda weird, you know that? I'm a gray melon, I already know that. Like, refreshing. Ice cold drink is always good, isn't it, Melon? Yeah, seriously. Dang it, I'm all out. Is my sound up? Okay, yeah, it is. Dang it, I'm all out. We have something in the water. I'm gonna get up, I think. I'll just talk to you for a little bit. Alright. Oh. Oh. Sorry, I'm kind of sleepy, that's all. Anyways, yeah, so, what should we talk about? I have no idea. Oh, shoot, I should close the cooler. So, how's your time in People Playground? Good. How's your time in Melon Playground? Honestly, really good. I'm meeting a lot of new people without the mods. This God, I guess, is downloading. Nice. Is Stickman trying to say something? I don't know. I can't understand him. No one can. Stickman! Oh my god! Stickman! What the? Stickman! Ow. What happened? Help me, I can't get up. Oh no. Oh no. Shutting down. What? Ew. Got blood in my drink. Anyways, dude, someone just died. I'm used to it. I'm older than Earth, bro. What do you mean? You're 1 year old or something like that. I don't even know. I'll save you, stick man. Oh, never mind. Oh. 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 Not that. Correct.
It's a game called Bounce Merge. The objective is very simple.
Wow.
Just break the blocks down.
It's
In the
really like I'm
beginning,
saying
it's like
this,
this.
guys. Guys, what's yow? What's yow? Yow. Shutting down, 'cause I am being digested by like a whale creature or something like that. I think you just put it like that and yeah, good as new. Go in there. Oh. Oh. Okay, I'm getting a new guy. I'm being digested. Oh, oh, my head, dude, wake up. I said, wake up. Oh, what happened? Not sure, but the lifeguards are down. I'm gonna go see what's happening. No, I don't think you should. Hey, shark thingy. What's doing? Finding food, I see. Had it coming. Dude, he just died. What do you mean, had it coming? Well, shouldn't have done that. You know what? I'm killing you. Me and Melon are supposed to be the main characters anyways. Something, I don't know. Aww. What do we do, Melon? I don't know. You're usually the one that has an idea. I don't know. Boom. No, oh god. No, 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 Melon! Oh, get out of there! No, no. He bit me! He bit me! Help me! Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god! He bit me, he bit me, he bit me! Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, I need a new melon. That one is going cuckoo crazy. Oh god. No, please. Ah, it's gonna bite me! It's gonna bite. Seriously, an ad.
It's a game called Bounce Merge.
Yeah, I'm
The
really
objective
bad
is
at
very
it.
simple. Just break the blocks down. In the beginning, it's like this.
What? Yeah, guys. 4.6 stars. Don't buy this game, guys. It's not buying, but. My foot! My foot! Hold on, let me just give them breathing real quick. Don't know why I did that twice, but I did. Hey! Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god, I can't escape. I gotta save him. Hey, whale face, eat this. Oh god, oh god, oh god, I'm about to die, aren't I? Let me do the surface, please. Get on land, come on, Melon. He's gonna... No, they are not dying. You see, I'm artificial intelligence that regenerates when not damaged that bad. So, you are technically about to perish like right now. You won't see tomorrow. Ha 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 ha. You shall die now. Nuke time. I'm going to nuke him. So, guys, we should run. Okay. Running, 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 running. Wow, that was some fast running, guys. He's about to die now. Bye bye. That was surprisingly easy. Yeah, you guys should definitely go now. There might be more. Yeah, we were planning on it. Is that guy still alive? Yeah. Just die. There. We better go, people, or person, or human, whatever. Yep, agreed. Alright, let's go. Yeah, they definitely leaving, guys. Yeah, they left. Oh, hi, safe people and mountains. I totally didn't die, and everyone else besides those two people lived. That isn't what happened. Bye.